Hidden Apple TV feature you should know. Here are the tips and tracks you need to know to get the most out of your Apple TV. Apple is used to dominating the market when it comes to phone, tablet, and smartwatch. It is a different story for media streaming devices where the Apple TV goes up against popular offerings from Roku, Google, and Amazon. If you are an Apple fan through, you will love what the company has done with the latest interaction of Apple TV. A new remote adds voice control with Siri, a touchpad, and and for game. And this fall there will be even more to watch once the Apple TV Plus streaming service arrives. The standard HD Apple TV costs for of storage space. The Apple TV 4K edition cost. Let's see what you can do with it. You will need the remote that comes with the Apple TV during the step process, but you are not stuck with it after that. Turn your iPhone into a remote with the Apple TV remote app for iOS. For Android user, there are some apps not moved by Apple on Google Play. You can also use a traditional third-party remote one uh, on your Apple TV. Navigate to setting, journal remote, so learn remote where you can map your remote to work with the device. Is your Apple TV remote dead or just in needed of your batteries? Go to setting, remotes, and device to view how much charge is left. Click remote to see the actual percentage number. The newest Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K come with a Siri remote, which lets you summon Apple Digital Assistant. The navigate the media streamer by voice. Hold down the Siri button and ask for tightly general cost and more. Release the button and Apple TV will search through available app. Press and release the Siri button for recommendation. The newest Apple TV remote use a touchpad instead of a directional button, but sometimes the surface can be a little too sensitive. If you find that it's hard to make the selection you are want because you are always overshooting, the app adjusts how quickly it scroll by going to setting, remote, and device touch surface tracking. The default setting in medium, but you can change it to fast or slow. Did you miss something? Someone said on screen. Tap the touch surface on the left to go back 10 seconds, or tap on the right if you need to get past a set animal 10 seconds at a time. To quick move through a video, push and then swipe the trackpad in either direction to scrap back and forth. You can also tell Siri to fast forward 10 minutes or ask what did he just say, and Apple TV will rewind for you. Never Apple TV models have a lot in common with iOS device, and one of the more useful feature they share is the app switcher. Activate this feature by double clicking on the home button to view a collection of recently used app. Use the trackpad to swipe between different app and click one away to choose it. If your Apple TV home screen is to you can move apps around, hide them, or tuck them into folder. Click and hold an app